I didn't spend $50,000 to buy a common Eve. Instead, I bought this Land Rover Range Rover that can only be My friends think I'm crazy. They say fixing this car is a bottomless pit, but I insist on taking this gamble for my Land Rover dream. I'll disassemble the whole car, completely restore it. Is this a huge win or a total loss? Watch till the end and you decide. Start by stripping the exterior. First, separate the body shell. Refurbish every part step by step. Start dismantling the engine. Across mountains and seas, and through crowds of people. Too much carbon buildup on the pistons. Cylinder scoring is already severe. Disassembling the chassis. Idle vibration is caused by this. Chassis parts removed, starting cleaning. Air dry the moisture. Spray anti-rust paint. Every corner must be covered. Cleaning the fuel tank. Rubber bushings are aged and cracked. Replace with OEM bushings to fix it. Assemble chassis parts. Cleaning again with piston rings. Check the comparison. Chassis work is done for now. Start restoring the exterior, marking local dents. After sanding, use German imported putty to fill. Sanding the whole car. Preparing to spray primer surfacer. Primer spraying complete. Do the masking. Start degreasing and dust removal. Applying water-based paint. Two coats of base color. 2 coats of clear coat are essential. High temperature baking. How is this paint finish? Cleaning the blower fan. Cleaning interior dead corners. Not letting go of any corner. Rewrapping the wiring harness. Relaying sound insulation. Spraying chassis armor. Chassis prep complete. Start reinstalling the engine. High-pressure fuel pump camshaft. Because this is already deformed, so need to replace with a new one. Replacing with new water pipes and O-rings. Assembly complete. Clean exterior. Reinstall body shell. Interior refurbishment and wrapping. All plastic parts too. Overall reassembly. Exterior and interior. To achieve the best paint show, sand and polish the entire car paint again. Check for wheel alignment data. Clean the engine bay. Finally, remove oil film for the owner. Clear vision even on rainy days. Full restoration complete. Do you think it's worth it?